Hello mga kasimple mga palangga, and I'm here again, and I'm so excited to share to you my very own recipe of cheesy oatmeal with a very healthy and rich in fiber quinoa in a honey syrup, and I put some of the berries on the top as well. This is very healthy to start your morning. You'll definitely love this together with your coffee. So stay tuned mga palangga, and I will share you my recipe. Thank you so much, and please subscribe for more videos and more recipes. Thank you. See you later, alligator.
Really good. Very good. My favorite.
Alright, this is a tricolor quinoa mga palangga. So this one, I'm gonna put in a heated water. Okay, you just wait for the quinoa to become tender. As you can see, the water is boiling now with quinoa. So we just make sure that the quinoa is already tender now before we're gonna add our oatmeal. So just stir it, check anytime. Maybe we're gonna wait for 2 to 3 minutes to make our quinoa cook. This is very healthy mga palangga. As you know, quinoa is rich in fiber. So if some people that have problem for any constipation, this is really good. Then, as you see, as I added my oatmeal in our mixture. So I just let it cook as well. Just stir it in a pot. Just stir it. Mix lang po ng mix. Very healthy po talaga ang quinoa. Lalo, especially with your oatmeal in the day and you start your morning, it's really healthy. So, I will just mix it. Just leave it for maybe 1 minute. Just to make sure that the oatmeal is already cooked and with the quinoa. There you go. Oh, the water already subsided for a little bit, and you can see it's already like creamy now. It looks like creamy. Okay, I think it's cooked already. Just mix again. Just mix everything, mix. Haluin lang po ng haluin para hindi po dumikit sa pot natin. Okay, just mixing again. Mix. Napaka-healthy, very healthy to start your morning. Okay. Ooh. It's becoming more creamy. As you can see, water is almost gone, and the consistency is really good. That's the consistency that I want. Now I added milk, and then just mix again, so to absorb the milk. So just mix lang din po again, maybe for 30 seconds or just less. O yan, ready na. The consistency is ready. Really good. Then here, I just put maybe 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Because later on, we will add honey syrup. So I don't want our quinoa oatmeal to become very sweet. I don't want that. Just a little bit of sugar. It's enough for this at the moment. So just mix it again. And everything is mixed well in the pot. Just mix. I think all good. Our quinoa and oatmeal is really creamy now. And that's the consistency that I like it. I don't want my quinoa and oatmeal to become very dry and also watery. I don't like that. This one is the best one. The best consistency. Okay, it's cooked now. Then we will transfer it to the bowl. There you go. As you can see, that's the perfect consistency that we like, isn't it? It's not runny and it's not very dry. That is the one that my kids like it. That consistency. Alright, we're just transferring it in a bowl. This is really yummy, and definitely I will promise you, mga palangga, mga kasimple, not you or your husband will only love this, but also your kids. Even your small kids will love it. It's really healthy. They will really love it. So if you are always doing pancake in the morning, why not you try this recipe and give this to your child in the morning? They will really love it, mga palangga. Especially when you slice smooth fruits in the top and you put more on the cheese in the top as well. This will really love it. So as you can see, I put cheese in the top. That's why I called it quinoa oatmeal cheesy. Very cheesy. My kids love cheese, so I love to put it more. Very generous. Okay, then I'll put that. Then I will put also some berries. If you don't have fresh berries, you can buy in a supermarket, maybe frozen one. It's still fine. It's still okay. Yeah, that's mine is a frozen one. So okay, it's okay. My kids will still love it anyway. So I just put this on the top. Yeah, and be generous also. The kids will love it. This will be a very healthy breakfast for the family, for the whole family. Alright. Then this is the special one, the honey. This will make your cheesy oatmeal and quinoa balance the taste of the cheese with a little bit of sweetness of the honey. Honey is also very healthy, especially if we have some cold. So honey is a natural antibacterial component. So this is very healthy also. So you serve your family a very healthy breakfast. There you go, mga kasimple, mga palangga. That is our cheesy quinoa, oatmeal in berries and honey. Your family and kids will definitely love it, and you will try this together with your coffee. Perfect. This will be very perfect with your breakfast in the morning. Ooh, I love this one. This is one of my favorite breakfasts.
Really good. Very good. My favorite.
Yummy.
It's really good.
Thank you very much, mga palangga, for watching.